What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another adventurous day. That's what we're gonna go ahead and do, is hit up to the mountains and go get some drone footage. Last time we were up there, we crashed the drone, as you saw in the previous video. So this time we have a brand new Mavic 3. We have the propeller guards. We're gonna be making sure we pay attention at all times and not crash into a telephone pole again. But today is just another, you know, casual vlog day. What was yesterday?
Election day.
Oh yes, yesterday was election day. Nobody's thrilled or excited about that. That doesn't bring joy to anybody. But what does bring joy is, it was Michelle's birthday yesterday. So her birthday was yesterday. Mine was 2 days ago. Well, 3 days ago now. I'm November 6th, she's November 8th, so we're only 2 days apart. So we make sure that when it's our birthday time, we take 2 days off of work to celebrate. Worked on mine, but took hers off and the day after, which would be today. What did we do yesterday, Mommy?
A lot. We started on a fancy restaurant.
Well, Carmine's. If you guys ever been to Carmine's, it is at the Caesar's Palace Forum Shops, a delicious Italian place. So we started off at Carmine's.
Oh, the Avengers.
We went to the Avengers Station. We're huge Marvel fans, of course. R.I.P. Tony Stark, best Avenger ever. So we went to that, and if you guys aren't familiar, it's inside the Treasure Island Casino, and at the Avengers Station, every prop at the Avengers Station has been used in the actual movies, worn by the real people. We got some new gear here, Apple Watches, that we're gonna go ahead and try on out. And then, as part of Michelle's last birthday surprise, we decided to go ahead and do one more thing before going out to our reservation tonight. And she's been waiting a very long time to see this individual. He is a stellar stand-up comedian that she turned me on to, and I was like, holy smack. So as soon as she told me that he was coming to town next week, I knew we had it, hop on, get into the action, and there's no way we're gonna let this individual come to Vegas and us not get a piece of that action. Who are we gonna see, Mommy?
Jo Koy!
We are going to go see Jo Koy, Joseph. Okay, we are gonna go see Rice is Rice. Okay, we're gonna go see the myth, the legend, the Filipino guy who started with nothing, who came up and made a difference in his community and brings smiles and tears to everybody. Next Saturday, we're bringing to you guys live Jo Koy at the AXS T-Mobile Arena here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now let's get on the road and get up to Mount Charleston. Okie dokie, guys, so we've made it to Mount Charleston. Again, it is the first snowfall of the year out here, and it's a little cold. And go ahead and get you guys some good footage and everything. So without further ado, while I set it up, take it away, Michelle. just noticed the rims say Wagoneer on that. That is pretty cool. I didn't really notice that until now. We did do the muffler delete as you saw in the last video. However, we didn't really do a sound clip to hear exactly how it sounds. So we have Michelle, who's very excited, in the driver's seat right now, who's gonna be driving the wagon for the first time. Going nowhere, but
That sucks.
putting on a little bit of gas to hear how it sounds. So without further ado, again, this is just a mid-muffler delete. We left the resonators on just to open up the Hemi and really let Remy breathe. Go ahead, mommy. Well, there you have it here for now, you guys. It's gonna get dark. We're gonna turn back around and head back to the city. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today was kind of unorthodox, but that's usually what's going on now. Anytime we have time to go ahead and do something, that's what we're gonna try to do. Throw something quick together, but we're just dialing in our niche. We're trying out our new accessories. We're trying out, see exactly what works and what doesn't, so that we can go ahead and start putting together more amazing content and really bringing it live to you guys as it's happening. We got a lot of cool events coming up. Toys for Dots, Christmas time, Marines giving out toys. We got a lot of cool adventures coming up here for the holiday season, you guys. As always, the three things, y'all know what to do. We'll see you guys next time on A Jeep Come True. Thanks.